Good morning, everyone. Today I will explain you practically how to create a database and table using design view and datasheet view in MS Access. So for that, first we will create the database. So we'll go to new and in right side see file name. In place of file name, we'll write a database name. Suppose we are creating a database for our school which will hold the record of three classes 10th A, 10th B and 10th C. So what we are doing, we are creating a database. Suppose we are naming it as S Academy, and this S Academy database will hold record of three classes. So we'll create three tables for three classes. Table 1 for class 10th A, table 2 for class 10th B and table 3 for class 10th C. So now for creating this database, we have given the name and we will click on the create button. Now see, by default one table has been created here. The database name is S Academy. This table is in datasheet view. See, now we have two types of view. One is datasheet view and one is design view. These both are different with each other. Design view is actually used to create the structure of the table. That means what you will do here, you will create different fields. You will name the fields, you will set their data types, and you will set the properties here. But you will not enter the values using design view. You will enter the values using datasheet view. So by default datasheet view is open. So first we will switch to design view because first we have to create the structure. See, we will give a class table name. We'll give class 10th A. The class name has come class 10th A. See, by default the field name, first field name is coming ID, and in front of ID there is a sign of key. This key is representing the primary key. You can replace it. See, by clicking on simply primary key, this key has gone. Field name, suppose we are taking roll number. We want to set it as a primary key. What we'll do, we'll simply click it, select it and click on the primary key. Now see, this roll number has become the primary key. Data type is auto number. Auto number means the value will come automatically. It will start from 1. Fine, you don't have to give the value to the roll number. It will come automatically. You can change the data type from here, but we don't want to change roll number. We want automatically. So see, in new values we have chosen increment. We can change it to random, so it will take random roll numbers, but we need roll number in as proper sequence in incrementing order. Second field, suppose we have taken first name. So for first name we are taking field name as F name. One thing to remember, that in field name there should not be any white space, so never give any space in the field name. Fine. Now we'll set the data type as text. Now see, in field properties, field size is 255. First name can never be more than 20 characters, so we have taken the field size as 20. Now one option is there which is caption. Caption is used in place of field name. Suppose in field name we have written F name. It will not be clear to the user that what actually F name stands for. So we can give a caption which will replace the field name in the table. We can write first name, and in caption we can give white space also. So it will be more clear to the user what actually this F name is representing. So if we write caption, so it will replace F name in the table format. Fine. Similarly, we can give other field as last name. So for that we have taken L name, and caption we are taking as last name. Also we are changing the field size, suppose 20. Similarly we can give phone number. Now see, field size is 255. We can set field size as 10. Fine. We know that in phone number, in mobile number, not more than 10 characters can come. So we will give field size 10. If more than 10 characters or 10 numbers you will enter, it will not take the value. It will take only value up to 10 numbers only. Now suppose we are taking age and we are taking it as number. Age we can take as integer. Long integer is not required. So these are sufficient. We have taken roll number, first name, last name, phone number, and age. So 5 fields we have created. We have set the data type and its properties also. Now what we'll do, we will click on save button. Now see, the structure of the table has been created. Now we will enter the values. For that, again we will switch to data sheet view. Now see, this is the data sheet view. All the fields have come here. Now we'll start giving the values to it. Roll number is auto number, so we don't have to give the value. It will come automatically. Suppose the first name is Akshat and last name is Mishra. See, the roll number has came automatically. You don't have to give the value. Phone number, suppose 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. We have set the value as 10. Suppose if I'll try to enter one more value, it will not take the value. It will take characters up to 10 only. Now age, suppose 15 we have taken, and next field we can enter suppose is Ankita. Mishra, phone number, any phone number you can take, age is 15. Now in this way you can enter multiple record. So two views we have, one is design view and one is datasheet view. Design view is actually used to create the structure of the table, and datasheet view is actually similar to spreadsheet. See, this is looking like a spreadsheet only. Datasheet view is actually used to enter the values and the records are visible here. But in design view, see, there is no record. The records will not be visible here. If you have to check the records, the values, you have to switch to datasheet view only. So the difference is clear, must be clear to you. Now see, suppose I want to add one more table now. So what I will do, I will click on create tab. In create, I will click on a table. Now see, another table has been created. Again, this is datasheet view. So we will switch it to design view. We'll give the class name as class 10th B. Okay. Now see, second table has been created, class 10th B. Again, we will do the same thing. Roll number, auto number, name, text. We can give caption as first name. Similarly, last name, text caption as last name. Then we have phone number. We'll set the values up to 10, and then finally we have age, which is as number. You can take it as integer. Fine. We will save it and we will switch it to datasheet view. Now simply you can enter the values one by one. So what we have done, we have created a database here as Academy, in which we were creating multiple tables. We have created one table 10th A. We have entered the record also. Then we have created a table 10th B, and same way we can enter different records in 10th B, and we can create one more table as 10th C, class 10th C. And same way you can create the structure and you can enter the values. Now suppose I want to delete some field. I want to delete any field from here. So what I will do, I will switch to design view. Suppose I want to delete this age. So what I will do, I will right click on the row header. This is a row header. So I will right click on the row header and I will simply click on the delete row. Yes. Now it is deleted. Save and switch to datasheet view. Now see, the age has gone. Suppose I want to change the field name. I want to change the primary key. Right now, roll number is primary key. See, what are the candidate keys for primary key here right now? Is there any other candidate key? First name can be similar, last name can be similar, phone number can be similar if two siblings are in the same class. So right now we don't have any candidate key for primary key. But suppose we have taken a field as ID. So ID for every single student will be different. So we can make it a primary key. So what we'll do, we'll simply click here and primary key. So primary key is changed from here. Fine. So you can, so in this video, we have learned how to create a database, how to create a structure using design view, how to enter values using datasheet view, how to delete the record, and how to set the primary key. So that's it for today. Thank you.